hair just got stuck in my watch.
I literally had no hair.
I'm waiting for you. Any day now. Hi y'all! What's up everybody? My name is Juliacagas. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It do be loud in my house, so don't mind that. Okay, so today I'm with my cousins.
I'm Janine.
And I'm Margaret.
And we're gonna be doing Janine's makeup. We're gonna be doing we're gonna be doing a makeup roulette.
Roulette?
Yeah.
Roulette.
Is that even the proper way of saying it? Okay, we're gonna be doing a makeup roulette. So basically, as you guys know, you guys probably don't know. If you guys follow my TikTok, you would know that I have been getting more into doing my makeup because I have a lot of it. But I have laid out a lot of makeup for my cousins, or well, for my other cousin, Margaret.
Hi.
Yes!
Oh, why'd you lock it? We're filming some
So we have glitters, and we have all my makeup brushes. We have a bunch of palettes. We have the James Charles palette, Jaclyn Hill, Hood of Beauty. Also, we have liners. Why are you guys so statue-like? So, are you ready?
Yes.
What do you want to look like?
A butterfly.
Oh wait, I can do that.
No,
okay.
a
venomous butterfly.
Janine, take off the glasses. It's time to get jiggy, guys. I'm so sorry.
I can't see.
Okay, Janine, ready for this? So I laid out a bunch of makeup for Margaret to use and for myself. Just gonna get started. Do you even know what to do first?
No.
Okay. Start.
Let's start with the lipstick. Where is all your foundation?
We're gonna do foundation.
That's what you're doing, isn't it?
I thought we were just doing her eyes.
Oh, we are? Okay.
I'm nervous. Okay, let's start.
Your eyes is my face.
Does this look like you? No, you're... Wait, what is this? It's a concealer. How do you do concealer?
He's in for a treat.
Yes, you are. Exclusively
Exclusively at Target. Close your eyes, please.
What are you doing to her face? This looks like you. What am I doing?
You would be a little light. Girl, you twisted it, that's why.
Can I put it here?
Sure. You're not gonna prime her face?
What does that mean? Just rub it on?
Do whatever you think. Okay, Janine, tell us about yourself. First, what grade are you guys in?
I'm a sophomore in high school.
I'm a sophomore in college.
I'm in 6th grade.
Oh.
Wait, what do I do?
Okay,
Take that out. How do I take
you
that
can't
out?
take it out. You have to blend it in. Hey, Margaret, what experience do you have with makeup?
I have no experience except my mom putting a little mascara on me, and that's it. And then I've never done anything else. It's horrible. Yeah.
What about you, Janine?
I'm in show choir, so all I know how to do is put on foundation and purple eyeshadow.
Purple! Do her eyes first.
Sorry, Janine.
You brought this on yourself. Okay, I'm gonna do her eyes first just because I don't want it to fall out.
You don't want my eyes to fall out?
What look do it? I kind of want to match this shirt.
You
Oh
look
my
so
God.
orange.
You could stipple it in. I'm using the Mr.
Oh,
James
that was-
palette. I'll use code James 10% off.
How long have you been doing makeup at
I
this?
started doing makeup when I was a sophomore in high school.
Oh.
I started off liking highlight. Okay, what's your guys' favorite TV show?
I don't have a favorite TV show.
You don't? What's your favorite movie?
The Star Wars saga.
You're educated. What about you, Janine? Favorite movie and favorite show?
Avatar, yeah.
Avatar is
Probably
really good.
Avatar.
My favorite show is Gossip Girl.
Well, that.
And movie? As of like right now, probably.
Oh.
I haven't seen that yet. Is it good?
My favorite movie is the High School Musical series.
Really? That's old.
Oh, says the one who
Because
chose
it's Star Wars. You're looking a little orange on the other side. Turn to the right.
I use this side.
Wow.
Wow, I didn't know
Oh
that.
my gosh, really?
I'm amazed.
That's crazy.
Are you guys like sarcastic?
Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's your favorite food?
Out or lazy dog?
Oh.
Never heard of that.
You should. It's really good, and
Is
they
it
serve your
near
dogs.
your area?
And
They serve your
Yeah,
dogs?
they give your dogs food.
We're so cute. Holy grails are Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, and In-N-Out.
I've never tried Chipotle.
You've never tried Chipotle?
Look.
Fabulous.
Do you have a boyfriend?
What?
I knew it!
We're back. Or Tonight it's Alexander's eyes as I romanticize what might have been if I hadn't sized him up so quickly. At least my dear Eliza's his wife. At least I keep his eyes in my life. To the groom, to the groom, to the bride, to the bride, to the bride. From your sister, Angelica, who is always by your side. To your and the hope.
Oh, can you see it?
Oh,
I see. Looks kind of cool, right?
Margaret, your arm. Show the camera your arm.
Not gonna lie, kind of popping off with these daisy. Are you ready for the final review? Oh my god, the flower.
Kind of cute. And then
I messed up with the eyeshadow though, but it's okay.
that's cute.
But look,
honestly, ooh,
my inspiration was her shirt. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you to my cousins for being on my video today. Do not forget to
comment,
right?
rate.
You said right.
Don't forget to
comment,
Rate.
and subscribe. Bye.